Jai Siaram. Once again, welcome to Learn English with Hitesh Shukla. And we are doing listening English practice. There comes a poem in 12th Commerce. Be the best. In this poem, the poet says that no matters what you want to be or what you are doing, the matter is do the best. He gives many examples. He says that if you cannot be the tallest tree, then just be a small grass, but be the best. If you cannot be the captain, then be the team member, but be the best. If you cannot be the biggest whale of the ocean, then be a smallest fish, but be the best. Everyone has a work, and no work is less. No work is unnecessary or unimportant. So why we cannot be the best? Just because we don't want to be ourselves. A monkey is a monkey and a crocodile is a crocodile. If there is a competition between crocodile and monkey in climbing the tree, tell me who will win? Definitely monkey will win. Because that is the characteristic of a monkey to climb the tree. That is in his nature. Crocodile will definitely lose. But it does not mean that crocodile is not important. On the other side, if there is a competition in swimming in the ocean between monkey and crocodile, you know very well who will win. Definitely crocodile. Why? Because that is his ability. So that is the key point, that what is our ability? What the main problem with us, why we cannot be the best? Because we never be ourselves. We always try to be someone and we cannot be someone. Yes, we can get inspiration, we can get motivation from someone, but we cannot be someone. Yes, we can copy someone, but it would be a mimicry. You can do the mimicry of someone, you cannot be someone. You can just have a gestures like someone, you can have the clothes like someone, but what will about the nature, the soul? So rose is rose, jasmine is jasmine, joy is joy, lotus is lotus. You cannot compare. That happens with everyone. But we always compare ourselves with someone. Analyze is very good thing. Analysis is very good thing. Comparison is not good in this way. So what is the best for us? That is, we should get inspiration from someone. We should get motivation from someone. We can also get guidance from someone. But we should not try to be someone. We should try to be the best whatever we are. I cannot speak like someone. I have to be the best in my speaking. It means that improve yourself, improve your language, improve your confidence, improve your performance. Don't try to be someone. Whatever you are, whatever I am, we should be the best in our field. The one more thing I would like to tell you, share you, that is, what the work you are doing is not the big question. How you doing the work is the big question. What is not the question, how is the question. If you are doing mopping, no matters. If you are doing cooking, no matters. If you are teaching someone, no matters. If you are sweeping, no matters. If you are doing business or whatever you are doing, the matter is not what you are doing, the matter is how you are doing. If you are doing any work with love and devotion, then that will be the best. But if you are not doing any work with love and devotion, we are not going to get nothing. So if we want to get the real satisfaction, if we want to get the real joy, peace and love in our life, then we should focus on how we are working rather than what we are working. Because what we are working sometimes is not in our control. Think about it. Jai Siya Ram.